One of my most favorite products. A little history. This night cream was actually the very first product I ever bought my mum from Biodroga when I was at college in 1994. Back then it was called Bio for the oldies. You would know that product. It was in a purple box. That was called Bio. There was a day care and a night care, and it was a sensational product. And its real base back then was bifidobacterium lysate, which is the main ingredient now. When they were reformulating this line from repair and cell protection to this, I was really vocal in saying, let's go back to what this product at its core was, and that was a product based on that particular ingredient. Now, you will know from my past videos, I love this ingredient because bifidobacterium lysate is essential for the health of the good bacteria on the skin. This product line contains bifidobacterium lysate, its main ingredient, where the second ingredient are ceramides. So we are providing in bifidobacterium lysate a soup, and I think about lysate being a soup of chopped up bits of the good bacteria, and this good bacteria contains all the essential vitamins and nutrients, proteins, amino acids that the good bacteria needs to flourish. So it provides all those nutrients. But then the ceramides provide, the ceramides added into this formula, it provides the food. That's what the good bacteria eats. And remember, what the good bacteria does, it eats the ceramides, because ceramides in the skincare, we're adding more, but the skin also produces its own ceramides. And what ceramides are is a food for the good bacteria. When the good bacteria goes poops out, it poops out acid that keeps that acid mantle at its perfect pH of about 5. So you have to understand that that barrier, that perfect delicate balance is only there because of that good bacteria, that flora on the skin, and this product keeps it nice and healthy. So who is this for? This product really is for everyone. So I really think both of these products can be prescribed to anyone, but we're talking about disturbed barrier. So this night care could be prescribed for every single client, and they could be using the other care products, the other 24-hour products during the day. I love this as a night cream for just about everyone. And even you might say, well, what about those clients that need menopause support? This with the perfect age serum underneath, and that would be perfect nighttime care for skin going through menopause. Some of the other ingredients in the daytime formula, the all-day protection with SPF 20, beautiful light textured cream for all those clients that love the repair and cell day, SPF 15. Jackie from Jackie's Beauty Therapy, she sells buckets of that product. Now I think she's loving this one as well. Now it's gone from an SPF 15 to an SPF of 20, which is really important for the clients here in Australia because we're learning that F15 is just not enough. So I think 20 is nice for a daily care. For those clients having issues with pigmentation, always go SPF 50, okay? But so there's hyaluronic acid in the SPF 20 day care, and then in the night care there's the bifidobacterium lysate, the ceramides, but there's also 2 tetrapeptides, which are collagen building and collagen strengthening peptides. So it's also anti-aging, so they're not missing out on the anti-aging ingredients. The repair and cell protection line, and that is for a disturbed barrier, a skin concern, not a skin condition, a skin concern. Client might come to you, skin concern, disturbed barrier, skin condition, pigmentation. This cream for the skin, that the disturbed barrier, and then the condition, vitamin C during the day, niacinamide at night. See how they all work together.